chips. If you're from that end, cold soup, you're from places like Banyas, please just walk through. It's a few meters away too. You'll see Al-Baraha bus station. You'll see there is a mosque, and then the Zeus Hotel. And next is Bin Sulom building. This is Bin Sulom building. When you check on Google, ground floor is Greenland Hypermarket. First floor is Jex Barista Training Institute. Some of you could be coming from those ends. Yes, places like Sharjah, Al-Busays, Al-Butila. You're coming through. Yeah, through Dubai Hospital, through Kuwait Hospital. Just walk to Bin Sulom building, which is this very one, and then use this corridor to the lift as we are going. Please come with me. Enjoy the journey. Just a few meters away, we'll be in Jex Barista Training Institute. All right, welcome. We are going to the lift. The lift to Jex Barista Training Institute. Yes. Here we have our directions. The directions that show you that you're in the right place. This is Jex Barista Training Institute. Now we go to the left. You will press right here, and when we get in, we go to the first floor. First floor. First floor to Jex Barista Training Institute. Let's all be here. Please come and study. Ta-da! First floor of Greenland Supermarket building, or Bin Sulom building. Yes, we're in the corridors and moving right to Jex Barista Training Institute. You're all welcome. Make it a point to come. Some of you are off, maybe once a week, twice a week. You can use those off days to come and improve yourself. You may not have any other special day, but this very one that is given you by your company, you can utilize it to improve yourself. Please, let's walk in to Jex Barista Training Institute. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, this is the corridor, and right away you're seeing our signage. Our signage as an institute registered under Ministry of Education. Here we are, Jex Barista Training Institute, first floor office, 1-1-1. This is it. It's always about coffee in the world, and it's about coffee here at Jex Barista Training Institute. So I want to take you through what we do as an institute. Like we've always told you, we are registered with Ministry of Education, UAE government, KHDA, meaning Knowledge and Human Development Authority. It's an authority or a body that is managing all private institutes, right from primary, secondary, tertiary institutes. All of them that are private are under Ministry of Education, KHDA body. So please, you will come to the right place, Jex Barista Training Institute, to train you. We are training baristas, specialty baristas, and also roasters. And at the end of the course, you always get yourself, of course, graduated. Like this very month, we're going to have a graduation. Yeah, at the end of it all, you get yourself a certificate. You will Ministry of Education, attested certificate. You're all welcome. Jex Barista Training Institute, Bin Sulom building, first floor, office 1-1-1. Here at Jex. Welcome. Let's get in. So you're seeing the environment is busy. Definitely it's all because all expatriates have chosen to listen to our call as Jex Barista Training Institute to improve themselves where you should also be. Just rush on to this place. Let's improve ourselves. So what is happening right now is, of course, people are training in here, and this is our reception. Yeah, you can see the several countries that are already well represented here. Yeah, there's always a barista from the given country here on these boards. When you come in, you'll always find someone here to receive you. Of course, we are very good at reception, and you always enjoy it. So please make it a point to come. And that side in the corridor where we're going to take you now is the pastry section, where people are busy cleaning their utensils. Yeah, that they use to brew coffee. Here we have the roastery section that you were going to see. Okay, then we have an opportunity to take you through. All right, so this is the roastery section where you're always going to find people doing the roastery classes. It's our machine here. Sometimes we are using it for theory classes. Yeah, you are seeing one of our baristas doing his class as usual. And then we have our store, that side where we have our coffee roasted at Jex is used by the baristas to brew. If you're not seeing your flag, then it's all because you've not yet come. Please come and represent your country. Come and get these skills so you can take them back home and improve them that are there in your world. Yeah, we are going to the baristas, and I want to believe they're already doing something. But anyway, let's speak. Welcome to Jex. As always, there is a class. Presently, they're having a class and will not have so much of time to disturb them. Yes, there are those that have chosen to improve themselves. You could be among these today. Come to Jex and improve yourself. Let your story be changed by yourself. It's the Jex Barista Training Institute for you. Here in Dubai, Al Baraha Bin Sulam building. Ground floor is Greenland Hypermarket. And first floor is the Jex Barista Training Institute, office 111. You're very much welcome.